Hey girl,
Hey Ma.
I read online that alkaline water is good for your body. I bought some for you to drink. Nah, drink some.
Huh? Really meh? Show me.
Yeah, see, it says that alkaline water can prevent cancer and other diseases.
Where? No Ma, you're wrong.
No. What are you talking about? Ma is always correct. Listen to me, drink some.
No Ma, you should not believe articles online. They may not be true and can be myths. Drinking alkaline water may not be as beneficial as you think.
Huh? Show me.
Here, let me explain. This is a video to show you how.
Huh? When alkaline water is ingested, the water flows down from the mouth and into the esophagus. As the alkaline water enters the esophagus, the water moves down the esophagus through rhythmic wave-like contractions known as peristalsis with the help of esophageal muscles, which are smooth muscles. This is made possible by the contraction and relaxation of the circular and longitudinal muscles found on the walls of the esophagus, which push the alkaline water down from the mouth into the stomach. As alkaline water enters the stomach, gastrin hormones, which promotes the secretion of hydrochloric acid from the stomach glands, are produced. The acid then neutralizes the pH of the alkaline water before further reducing the pH of the contents in the stomach. When pH 1.5 is reached, gastrin production stops. This inhibits the secretion of hydrochloric acid. The belief that the basic pH of alkaline water providing benefits is false, as alkaline water will still be neutralized in the body regardless of whether it benefits our health or not. The mucous membrane of the stomach is made up of simple columnar epithelium tissue, which consists of exocrine glands. These exocrine glands are located in the small pores of the mucous membrane called gastric pits, which are responsible for the secretion of digestive enzymes and hydrochloric acid in the stomach. The walls of the stomach is made up of smooth muscle tissues such as the scapular and longitudinal muscle. The smooth muscles in the stomach contracts and relaxes during peristalsis and segmentation, which aids in the movement of alkaline water down the stomach and the physical breaking down of food to produce chyme. Smooth muscle contractions are involuntary actions managed by impulses that travel through the autonomic nervous system to the smooth muscle tissue. The arrangement of cells and smooth muscle tissue also provides for contraction and relaxation with great elasticity. Since the small intestine has less of a mucus coating than the stomach, it is not well protected from the acidic chyme. Thus, it is important that the contractions and relaxations of the pyloric sphincter allows the chyme to be released slowly into the small intestine. This ensures that the chyme is thoroughly neutralized before entering the small intestine. When the pyloric sphincter relaxes, acidic chyme is released. When the cells of the pyloric muscles on the intestinal side detects the acid, the pyloric sphincter closes tightly. The muscles of the pyloric sphincter relax once the chyme has been neutralized by pancreatic bicarbonate and the juices surrounding the pyloric sphincter turns alkaline. If alkaline water was consumed with food containing fat, the chyme entering the duodenum would cause the secretion of hormones, secretin and cholecytokinin. Cholecytokinin from the duodenum signals the gallbladder and pancreas to release their contents into the intestine to aid in digestion, whereas secretin stimulates the cells of the pancreas to release its bicarbonate-rich juices to neutralize the acidic chyme. When the optimum pH is achieved, the cells no longer release secretin. The pancreas no longer receives the message and stops releasing its pancreatic juice. The lining of the small intestine is made up of simple columnar epithelium tissues, which consist of many villi and crypts. The villi are finger-like projections from the folds of the small intestine, which increase the surface area for faster absorption of alkaline water, as well as the absorption of nutrients and minerals found in the alkaline water. Whereas the crypts, which are located between the crevices of the villi, are tubular glands which secrete the intestinal juices needed to digest the chyme as well as the alkaline water. The alkaline water in the chyme is then absorbed through the small intestine by passive diffusion in the capillary blood within the villus. After absorption in the small intestines, any remaining content will pass into the large intestine through the ileocecal valve. Water is then absorbed in the large intestine and any other content will become waste and excreted. In conclusion, our body's digestive system, the organs in the system, and its cells regulates the pH of the contents strictly, and hence any food absorbed will not affect our body's pH significantly.
But I cannot lose face to my uncle.
Fine. You don't drink, I do now.
Con te partirò. Hai veduto e vissuto con te, adesso si